Okay, so that is a solar panel hooked up, and I have the wire going in there. I will silicone that hole. I did drill about a 7/8 of an inch hole there just because I had another solar panel going into there, and the plug sockets were kind of large. And then opening it up, you can see how the light comes on when you walk in. And again, it gives a pretty good amount of light. And considering that if I close this door, so basically no windows, so no light in here. So that is actually pretty bright considering. And like I said, got some stuff in the way back here, but that gives off plenty of light that we need here in our shed. And oh, so the cabling comes in. You can kind of see the light coming through that hole. And I had the wire basically kind of pinned up here for now. And yeah, so blinded by the light, but pretty easy. But this was the biggest issue was I had to drill a pretty decent sized hole to get that through, but again, no big deal. And there's plenty of cable that I was able to mount that in the middle of my shed, which is a 12x16. So plenty of space to get that going on. But anyway. Okay, so it's nighttime and I have an outdoor solar light. So let's see how this works on the inside. So doors open, pretty dark in there. Then that is lights on, and you can tell that lights up pretty good. And I keep the remote up here. And after reading it, I think we're gonna put it into mode 4. So when it detects motion, it will turn on day or night. And again, that's a pretty good light level out there. Okay, Ryan from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching and be safe out there.